Okay, so simplify each of the following. Hopefully you see that what we're going to be doing is using the distributive property and also combining like terms. Okay, so this first one, remember this number is right next to the parentheses, so that means we're going to multiply, which means distributing. So 5 times 3x is 15x, and 5 times -1 is -5. Okay, and that's it. I can't combine these because they're not like terms. This one has an x in it, and that one doesn't. Okay, so I can't combine those. Okay, I'm going to distribute this 1/2. 1/2 of 6 is 3, and 1/2 of -2x is -1x, which is just like that. I just want to make sure that I am not going astray here. Okay, so here we don't have anything to distribute, but we do need to combine like terms. So 4b minus 12b is -8b, and 8a and 1a is 9a. Okay, and I can write it like this. They like it, mathematicians like it in alphabetical order. So we would write it 9a minus 8b. If you left it like this, I would still give you credit, but that's how we like it. Okay, this one's a little more difficult because I need to distribute and I combine like terms. So this 14 gets distributed, and I have 14m plus 28n minus 14, and then the rest of it, plus 6m minus n minus 13. Okay, so let's find all the ones with m's. So I've got a 14m right here and a 6m right there. So 14 plus 6 is 20m. Then my n's, 28n minus n is 27n. And then -14 minus 13 is -27. And that's it. That's the most I can combine them. Because this one has an m, that one has an n, and that one doesn't have anything. So that's the answer. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to distribute twice. I've got 2 that I can distribute here. Okay, so 3, let's see, I'm going to, oh, it's okay, I'm going to erase this so we can have a little bit of space here. 3 times 2r is 6r. 3 times s is 3s. And now we're distributing a -2. So -2 times 4s is -8s. -2 times -2r is a positive 4r. And now when we combine like terms, 6r plus 4r is 10r. 3s minus 8s is -5s. So 10r minus 5s. And then over here we have a bunch of x's, but my like terms are things that have the same exact exponents too. So I can only combine the x squareds with each other, and then this x is going to be by itself because there's nothing to add or subtract it to. So 6x squared plus 2x squared is 8x squared minus 7x. And that's it for that one. Don't combine these. This is an x squared, this is an x. They are not like terms. Okay, so moving on to this next part right here. We have 8 more than a number. This is addition, and you could do it either 8 more than a number, or you could have done x plus 8. For this one, it doesn't matter. The difference of 7 and a number, and since it says difference, we don't know really which one is which. So it could be 7 minus x, It could also be x minus 7. Okay, the quotient, remember quotient means division. So the quotient of a number and 20, the product, that's multiplication, of 4 and a number squared, okay? 12 less than a number. Remember, these ones are tricky because I've got a number and I'm taking 12 away from it. So it's x minus 12. And then the quotient, again, that's division, of 10 and z cubed. All right, we will go on to number 33 in the next video.